Hey, 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 hey. Good day, good day, good day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today is Tuesday, December the 16th, people, 2025. So give that praises to that man upstairs if you made it to today. All right. So right along, moving right along. It's Advent calendar time. Houston, we have landed. And here we are. It's just a lavender stone. It's a little bit like the one we received earlier, but it got like some type of dimensional designs and some like crack. It's like crack design inside, it looks like. So, time to put it on. And there we have it. That's the end of the bracelet right there. So, we definitely will not be making the rest of these. I don't even think I'm going to put tomorrow's on here. We're just going to show it. Yeah, who we have today? Oh, it's a car with a tree on top. Reminds me a little bit of National Lampoon when they had to go look for the Christmas tree. Do we see anything? Oh, it's in there. So, you see it? Let's get that out. It looks like a space. It's a snowman. And there we have it. You can't even see him. But there it is. Okay? And we definitely will be filling this one up. And it's time for the scents. What scent are we not wearing today? It appears to be blue. So let's see. I'll let you guys see it before I even look at it. Look, I'm not looking at it. I didn't look. What do we have? Oh, it's upside down. My sister's favorite. So, that is all of the gifts for today. So, today's message is, no matter what yesterday looked like, okay? Mistakes, losses, delays, or detours, it doesn't make a difference. Moving forward is still available to you. It's based off of you. So, you don't have to have everything figured out. I'll repeat that now. You don't have to have everything figured out. You just have to keep moving forward to make the changes that you want to make. Okay? Because growth, I'm going to say that and sit on it again. Growth happens one step at a time. And you have to keep hope that it lives in the direction that you're heading. Because that determines your life. You pick the choices that you make. No one else can pick those choices for you. You choose to make the steps that you make. No one can force you. No one's actions can make you do anything. It's all here. It's all here. You choose to do those things because they were in you. No one can force you to do anything. No one's actions. It's you. Okay? So I'm going to end this by saying, everybody, if you are holding on to anything, I want we releasing it today. So that's our word today, is release. Okay? So you're going to this is what you say. I release what's behind me and walk confidently toward what's next and ahead of me. Mic drop. So on that note, I want to wish everyone a great day. I want you to be the best version of yourself. and make those changes that you need to make if you need to make them, because the end of the year is coming. You don't want to carry that into 2026. Leave it where it is. So, stay warm, stay bundled if you're in those areas where it's snowed or it's cold, and make the best of today. And hope to see you back tomorrow for our next day of gift.